Meaning of ignoble.
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 Ignoble. Ignoble is an adjective that means not honorable in character or purpose, or of low social status. It is often used to describe actions or behaviors that are dishonorable, unworthy, or shameful. The word ignoble carries a negative connotation and is often used to express disapproval or disdain towards someone or something. For example, stealing from a charity is an ignoble act. The term can also be applied to descriptions of individuals who lack moral or ethical standards, or whose behavior is motivated solely by self-interest.